Hi everyone, in this occasion let's create something together. Let's continue with what we had. Sorry, I had to take a little bit of the juice because I was thirsty. But the nice part is that this is not going to be anything. This hasn't to be anything with the with the program that we're making. Okay, book. Uh, and in here we're gonna put, for example, display info, and that's it. You see the print R here? Let's see if what is the error here. Undefined constants constant book and book display info. Let's see how we do that on PH on HTML. Yes, on PHP. Sorry. Here you see object get info. Okay, get info. Let's see how it is defined, and let's see if it is on a class. Oh, we need a constructor. By the way, those constructor I found that very useful when I learned it, but in this case, it's not not very necessary. And let me see. On here, it is declared outside of the function. Let's see if we can find defining and using functions from classes. And I forgot to put PHP. Google. Let's go to Google because Bing is a very defining and using functions on classes with PHP. Um, yes, this one is kind of what I want. Let's go to the W3 schools, okay? W3 schools. And here you see, for example, class fruit, function, set name, this name, okay? Get name, okay? And how to call it, that's what I want. Here, echo get name, for example. And on the echo get name, it shows it. But in this occasion, it says that book is not defined. But it is because it is not on the same page, but it is defined. Um, so we can try to see if it will work. It should work, maybe. Let's see. Oh, I understand. We have to make a, sorry, I forgot that. We have to make a new book. Book, let's say sample book. And on here, we make like this. New book. And that is like saying, okay, I want the class called book to be declared and to be used by this function or this variable. And this variable is gonna be the like the function which is going to have the display info, and that's everything. Now I will go here and you should see the information. And there you go. Look, this is the array that we wanted to have. Now I'm going to display that array in here. And that would be very funny, being honest. So let's go to the, you see this? Let's change those information for this. We can put it like this. And let's erase this print R here. And let's see the number here. That's okay. That is going to be the ID, number, ID, for example, first title, price, stock, copy and paste, and that's it. Okay, now I am going to put on here author. Let's put on here title, and let's continue. Oh, by the way, this is not like this. This is like this. Book, um, see, sample book. Okay, because that's the instance. When I say instance, it's like the space of the class which is reserved and has the info as a class, but with the attributes inside of it. And that instance makes it more organized and more easy to understand when it comes to information. So if you are a data scientist, that this, for example, is going to be easy for you to understand. So for some developers like me, for example, I am more like a physician. I am very good with physics and maths. Even though sometimes I am kind of difficult to understand on maths and physics. Being honest, that's kind of my area, even more than chemics. But also, I am good with chemics. But science, science itself, analysis of data, that is an area that is kind of new for me. And being honest, it is it is an area that doesn't have much time in the market. So it's normal. It's normal that for me is new. That it can be new for many people. If you feel that, by the way, which is something that is kind of out of the context, but I'm saying it for you to feel better. If you felt that you were like out of, you know, you okay? Just push forward. You can do it. Okay. And you see here, let's put it again. And let's put price. And in here, stock. And that's it. Now, let's refresh here. And you can see that the information is here. Yes, as as amazing as it seems, it is like that. But we have something that is bad and that is missing, and is this. Look, we need another see ID, title, price, and stock. We need the author as well. Okay, author. And let's put here the instead of the author, let's put here ID. Now we refresh and we refresh on here, and you can see that now it has the information that we had in the on the object. If you want to know more, let's show you in the next video how to show the information, how to add information, and how to erase. In the next video, we're gonna dedicate only on those two things: add and erase. Those two. After that, we're going to create then another video, which is going to be the last one, that is going to be to edit the books that are added. And I think that we have finished. I mean, that was everything. As crazy as it sounds, that's like stretching out your knowledge of a language. And by the way, you see this scope row, I can take it out. It can take it out. That's not necessary. And here it says that this is a th. That is not necessary. You see, this should be a td. So let's change it. Td, and you see this one here. Also, this is td, and that's it. Let's refresh, and that's it. Okay, see you in the next video. Sorry because I had to stop the next one because I had a problem that I wanted to not to pass from 30 minutes. And also Jesus Christ gave me like an advice um, of not passing from certain limits. But these videos are not gonna be more than 5. I think that this is the third. So in the fifth you're going to see everything, the addition, adding, and the erase of a complete crude, okay, of this here. Now we have seen the read of the crude, okay? See you in the next video, and thank you for everything.